guys, today I just got myself, since you see I have birds, I mean there's 2 of them, but I don't know where the other one went, but anyway, so we just got ourselves, our birds, some food, and then some toys, and a new cage, I guess. This is the old one. Yeah, so let's get going. I'm just gonna put the camera here and just start putting in stuff. My mom is helping me.
好了，棍儿放好了，然后那个你的那个，他们的那个东西你自己往上挂了，哥哥，你自己找地儿挂，或者把那棍
Start
儿放
putting
好
the damn stuff. What? Let's put this in. Oh, 我这个去拆。
这什么啊？你解它干嘛？
And we're just unlocking this. And hold on.
哦，这个是这样翻过来的，才是真正实用了，意思就是是吧？
We're putting this in. Shoving this thing in. Hold on. Damn. Now we're putting that in. 你别拿这个绑，这个有一大堆，里面出那些都不一样。
临时的，就是为了让你现在，
别，
你回头再换不就完了吗？
And let's put in this stuff. Like this, bam, bam, bam. I think it's the other way. There we go. No, this part.
往里一点吧，再。那边也应该挂在
There
那
we
边。
go.
狗狗那边也应该挂在这边。
没事，可以不对称，别对称。
随便。
And yeah, we're gonna put this thing a bit down so that it's gonna have some depth inside, like this, like this. Nah, that's not possible. Wait, it is possible. Oh yeah, it works. And just do that, and then boom, bam. Works. Oh, my apologies. Boy, how can I stop? Maybe I'll have to remove this. Put in some more stuff.
周哥，看见没啊？给他俩的笼子里头放点小草，然后让他知道这个地方他们俩可以熟悉了，这下就可以把这笼子给他放进去了。万一他俩真的想要宝宝了，就
Oh,
可以把它放多
the
了。
birds just when no. My mom's preparing a nest, a small nest. Inside is a bunch of these, and yeah, putting that in. 脚放到角落，就这样。
狗狗，这个怎么回事啊？你这个不能给它放上鞋的，他俩没法待晚上，他俩睡觉的时候都 费劲了，你这个得给它放好。
Okay.
这不是玩的。
Let's continue.
对，这样就好了。
Putting in some more stuff for the birds. I'm going to see you guys in Shinju.
进去玩玩吧，你们的新家，你们的小别墅，快点，进去看看吧。看着有点害怕，也有点好奇。
They're pretty curious. And a bit scared too. Stuff away.
进去吧，这边。哎，你看他站着想进去，但是又有点害怕。进去吧，还有好吃的呢。
And some food, just gonna hang them here.
他俩会对着打架。
Boom. We got
来
some
来，进去
food.
吧。
Put some decorations on the bird bath. There we go.
还有旧窝里的。闻见草味儿了是吗？这儿。
Hopefully they'll be able to adapt. Hopefully they'll be able to adapt to the new like environment soon and yeah. And yeah, this is going pretty well. Actually, I'm gonna change that up because I'm gonna change the intersection.
啊，我才发现他们对这个草味儿特别的感兴趣。
They're interested in the grass.
放到那个。
But anyway, I'll be doing that. There we go. That like just like that. Because I'll be leaving an area out like just like so, and yeah. Looks promising to me. Put in some more decorations. Oh, this thing's stuck. Or stuck.
去窝里有，去窝里吃吧，窝里吃去吧啊，窝里有，去吧。
Bam.
你把给他俩弄窝里，他俩也有这个草。去窝里吃吧，这儿窝里有啊。哎，你跟，这儿窝里有，去吧。认识你新屋。
It's kind of scared. They're kind of scared, but yeah. And also we got some new food. Just gonna put those food back. 哎，其他食物你都放哪了？
还放那筐里了，等到那个盒里的用完了再。
好。
你看他俩宁愿去救我，他对救我。
好，哎，对了，有容器吗？我把这里食物放到了。
回头我帮你找一个，我再找一个。
Yeah, we're just.
他俩还是对救我。
Just gonna make a bird bath. Bird bath. Hopefully they'll adapt to it. I got a bird bath. Got a bird bath. Oh. Just gonna put the bird bath, possibly I'm trying to find like an empty space where I can put it, but yeah, this place seems like a great idea. They're getting a housing upgrade, I suppose. But anyway. Hold on. Yeah, it's stuck. Oh no. Yeah, this works. 哎呦，水洒了，水洒了一点，妈妈。没事吧？好。Alright, I'm gonna put the water source in there so that I can, somehow change it. I'm gonna put multiple of those so that they can still look like I have an old feel, but yeah, so. This video is gonna be pretty long. I'll put the completed view of the new cage. I'll put the timestamp of that in the description. Be sure to check that out. I'm gonna there's still moss inside. Hold on. The annoying moss is so hard to do. Hang on, putting this in. Oh, just.
弄那么多水盆干嘛？
And I'm gonna remove the thing for the parrots to like stand on. Gonna just get rid of that, and I'm gonna put a corner. Hold on, I'm just trying to get that fixed. There we go, perfect. Perfecto. And I'm sorry, but I'll have to do this for you guys. Not sure if you guys like it or like your new home or not, but you guys have to accept it. So, yeah. Not sure how they feel about me taking away their food, but have to do this. Yeah, this works. Now get ready for your new home, and I'm removing stuff. On the back. Just. There we go, perfect. There we go. And I have to remove some of the stuff, which are kind of. This is a building stream. You guys want to come out? Go there? Don't be scared. Yeah, they're kind of scared because I'm removing ornaments from their old housing, so yeah. Maybe they're a bit confused about what's going on, but Yeah. They have to accept it though. That their house is gonna get changed. Trying to get the perfect distance. There, no, not yet. Maybe I'll flip that. I'm just a bit not unsure about where to put it, but yeah. Maybe I'll put it here. Here. 不知道这老的让人该放哪儿了吗 Oh, like
不
that.
用放了，就放在老的里头去就好了。干嘛那么多呀？
Yeah, like that, just like that. Perfect. No. Buddy, I have to move you. Don't freak out. Not gonna lie, they're kind of scared. We're moving everything from their old house. Yeah, they're kind of scared, but I have to introduce them to their new homes. I have no choice but to introduce them to their new house.这样吧，反正我现在还用之前的那个食盆呢，妈妈。我就先让他们在之前的那个食盆上吃饭，行吗？行啊。行吧。行。OK。Okay. Putting that in. This is fully functional. This food system. That's why it's costing me like 480 baht, which is equivalent to $12, I suppose. No, wait, no. Yeah, 12. No, it's this thing costed me 16 bucks, which is the cage itself costed me 16 bucks. 16 bucks is equivalent to 480 baht, yeah. The entire thing costed me 890 baht, which is around $30, but I got a discount. I got a discount which discounted me to $28.5. Yeah, 28.5. 20, which discounted me to $28.5, which is pretty cheap. Not gonna lie. Sorry about that, but I have to move you guys. They might not feel so good on the first night, but yeah. Now it's done. This is Mr. Professional Bird. Well, I'm done. Let me put the birds in. They kind of seem to like it. Where's the other one? Good time, boys. that's it for today's video, and see you guys later. Bye. Peace out.